In the last video we just visited Matka Canyon, and right now we're gonna visit Ohrid, the second largest city in North Macedonia. And here we just arrived the city center of Ohrid. And we are looking for hotel in the old town of Ohrid. And the moon just rose up. We are at the coast and looking for a restaurant to eat something. Meanwhile, we see some Christian symbols. And here's the city center of Ohrid near the coastline. And in this part of city you can see lots of local stores, including restaurants, jewelry stores and clothes stores. One of the most famous drink in Ohrid is wine. Wine prices extend from 5 euros to 20 euros. And this is the local food called cevapi. After we finished our meals, we are exploring the city. After we got to our hotel, to which we have paid around 15 euros to each person. And here I'm going to take a nap. After all, we will go to another place. And here's the best part of our hotel. The view is amazing. We decided to exchange our money to Macedonian dinar. It's a local bakery from Ohrid. Maybe you won't believe, but we just eaten this whole meal for 300 Macedonian dinar. Yes, I am in the middle of center of Ohrid. It is such a beautiful place, but in this season, in February, you should not be coming here because it's so empty. There are no one here. So yes, by the way, behind me you can see Saint Clement. I think that he is an important guy here. Hello everyone, today we are in front of Saint Naum monument, as you see here. And today we are going to visit his monastery, which is located 30 kilometers away from here, which takes around 30 minutes. So we're gonna visit this place, and I'm going to give you some information about the place. Here's the famous lake of Ohrid. Look at this view. It is amazing, isn't it? And this lake is home to 17 native fish species, which is incredible number compared to other lakes. After walking by the lake, we went to Ohrid Castle by our car. To enter there, we paid around 150 Macedonian dinar. We just left the Ohrid Castle and now going to Monastery of Saint Pantaleon. And here we go. The camera was forbidden inside, that is why we couldn't take long video here. Saint Pantaleon, famous physician of his time. He was grown by pagan father and Christian mother. Later on, Pantaleon met an old Christian called Ermalos, and then he became Christ and turned into Christianity. To be a Christian, you must be baptized, and here's where he was baptized at this time, when becoming Christian. And another historical site of Ohrid. This place is called Ancient Theater and located just nearby the lake. The location of this theater is amazing. Behind me you can see ancient theater from Roman Empire It was built in before 148 before Christ. It's really old theater center here in Ohrid. The Ohrid Lake is so near here. As you see, the view is like here. It's such a beautiful place. And there used to be some orchestras, the music and dramas, and also gladiator wars. As you see from the movies, that gladiator wars, the battles were held in this place. And now we are leaving Ohrid. And we are on the way to Saint Naum Monastery, which is the most popular place in North Macedonia. Here we go. We just arrived to Saint Naum Monastery and we are walking to there. Of course, we got tired after a long journey and ate something. Here is the famous place called Saint Naum Monastery. Actually, most people visit Ohrid to see this amazing structure called Saint Naum Monastery. Hello everyone, today we are in front of Saint Naum Monastery. This is such a beautiful place and very famous in North Macedonia. This is a place located between Albania and North Macedonia, and we are just 10 kilometers away from Albania. So as you see here, this structure was built in 905 after Christ and was built by Aziz Naum, Saint Naum in English language. And this place was built by the Byzantines as well and was conquered by the Ottomans and then turned into a mosque. However, in 16th century, by the decision of a sultan, it was turned into a mosque. It was turned into a church once again, and right now it's a church. And there is a rumor going on. It is said that when you get closer to the stones, you hear the Saint Naum heartbeats. By the way, the Saint Naum's cemetery is here, located here. So that yes, it's such a precious place. As you see that you can see lots of animals. Yes, it's a awesome place. Right now we are about to cross the Albanian border. After visiting Albania, we decided to leave because the capital city was so far from here. We are middle of nowhere. We are in the city of Kocevo. This is like the village here. I'm drinking my Americano. Waiting for my father with the car. Yes. And this place is the city center of Skopje. I will mention this city on the next video.